Oh. Okay lang.
Hello, Jari!
Nag-shoot ako, nag-shoot. Magagalit tong mga coordinator ko. Sige, bahala kayo. Pasensya na, ha, brother. Yun, kasala na.
We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. Eyes open wide and the world is before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to the feeling, you and I. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We'll light up. We'll light up.
Itinuro ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal.
Sa church kami nagkakilala.
Sa kapilya, sa lokal ng Metroville.
When I go too far, you're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect.
Actually, nung una, parang wala lang eh. Nung na-meet ko siya.
Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you.
Nung nakita ko, sabi ko, parang siya yung mapapang-asawa ko eh.
can see it when I look at you, and in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word.
Hindi, ako kasi ang diskarte ko, kwento lang. Parang ganon. Tapos, yun na yung panliligaw ko kasi niyayakag ko siyang kumain. Tapos mamasyal.
Nasa sales kasi yan eh. Binenta niya sarili niya. Pero, nung na kami, siguro 5 years, dinedenay na niya na naligaw siya.
And I can't believe.
Mga lalaki, ibigin ninyo ang inyong asawa at huwag kayong maging mapait sa kanila.
Love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you.
Aris, I'm super happy na eto na yung pinakahihintay nating araw na naiyak ako. Matagal nating pinagpanata. And although maraming struggle, eto tayo, I mean, magkasama nating bubuin yung pangarap natin. I love you. See you later.
La 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 la. So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word. You're everything.
To my Lydell, yon. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ka magsisisi na ako yung pinili mo na maging kasama mo habang buhay. Magpapayaman tayo. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin. Sa pangunawa, I love you.
La, 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 la. So la, 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 la.